Speed, distance and time, part 5, trick 8. If a train passes a man standing on the platform and the platform of the length LP in time t1 and t2 respectively, then length of the train equal to length of a platform multiplied by t1 divided by absolute value of t1 minus t2. That means LP into t1 divided by absolute value of t1 minus t2. Speed of the train now can be calculated by length of the train divided by t1 or LT divided by t1. Also, speed of a train can be calculated by LT plus LP divided by t2. Okay. Example, if a train passes a man in 16 seconds and passes the platform of length 300 meter in 40 seconds, then find the length of the train. Solution. Length of the train is equal to LT. This is equal to LP divided by T. This is equal to 200 meter divided by 40 second minus 16 second absolute value. This is equal to 300 meter 300 divided by 24 second. This is equal to 324 is equal to 200 meter. Now speed of train is equal to length of train divided by t1. This is equal to 200 meter divided by 16 second. This will be equal to 25 by 2 meter per second, and this can be 25 by 2 multiplied by 18 by 5 kilometer per second. This is equal to 45 kilometer per second. Also, speed of train, this is equal to LT plus LP divided by T2. This is equal to 200 meter plus 300 meter divided by 40 second. This is equal to 500 meter divided by 40 second. This is equal to 25 by 2 meter by second. This is equal to also 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. Trick 9. If two trains with speed x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour started their journey from places P and Q respectively, moving towards each other, and met at the point R. If the difference between their distances travelled up to R is D, then distance between P and Q or PQ is equal to x plus y divided by absolute value of x minus y multiplied by d kilometer. Example, let in this problem x is equal to 60 km per hour and y is equal to 40 km per hour and d is equal to 200 km, then pq is equal to x plus y means 60 plus 40 divided by absolute value of 60 minus 40 multiplied by 200 km is equal to 100 multiplied by 200 divided by 20 km is equal to 1000 km. Example 2 practice question. Speed of two trains leaving from P and Q and approaching towards each other are 80 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively. If the difference between the distances travelled by them is 240 km, then find the distance between P and Q. Solve it. The answer is 1680 km. If two trains of length L1 and L2 crossed each other in time t1 when they move in same direction, and in time t2 when they move in opposite direction to each other, then find the speed of the faster train. L1 plus L2 divided by 2 into 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2, and speed of the slower train. This is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by 2 multiplied by absolute value of 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Example. In this situation, if L1 is equal to 180 meter and L2 270 meter, T1 90 second and T2 90 by 7 second, then speed of the train. Speed of a faster train is equal to 180 plus 270 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 by 90 plus 1 by 90 by 7. This is equal to 450 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 by 90 plus 7 by 90. This is equal to 225 multiplied by, this is equal to 90, numerator 1 plus 7 8, and this is equal to 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer by second. The previous is meter by second. This is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Speed of a slower train. This is equal to 180 plus 270 divided by 2 multiplied by absolute value of 1 by 90 minus 7 by 90. This is equal to 450 by 2 multiplied by minus 6 by 90, absolute value 225 into 6 by 90. This is meter by second. This is equal to this is 225 into 1 by 15. This is equal to 15 meter by second. This is equal to 15 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. This is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Example 2, practice question. Two trains of length 150 meter and 210 meter when moving in same direction crossed each other in 72 seconds, and when moving in opposite direction crossed each other in 8 seconds. Find their speed. Their speed will be 90 kilometer per hour and 72 kilometer per hour. Now we can see the next video for other tricks.